when you hear there are 380 petitions, it is so alarming. Yet in reality, some constituencies have 25 people who have actually petitioned 25 times against one winner. Those clarifications will be made in that analysis when the legal tribunal gives us their categorization of petitions. So it should not, the NRM people should not be so alarmed that in every constituency in Uganda there is a petition. No. Petitions have come from people who feel dissatisfied, who feel things were not right. And they can be 4 in a constituency, they can be 7 in a constituency, but they have all petitioned against one person.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.